Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Catherine and today's video is going to be a review slash demo on the new Rare Beauty contour. And before I jump in, as per usual, I just want to read you what some of the claims are so you guys can get an idea of what I'm expecting from the product. So first thing you want to know is that it is $28 and I'm not gonna lie, that's kind of the price range I would assume it would be. All of her products range around that price range, so it's still affordable for her brand. And then there is 7 shades. Shade that I picked up was shade Serene. I'm gonna go ahead and read you some of her details. So basically it's a soft pinch liquid blush, but make it into a contour. We took the same airy blendable goodness that you guys love and put it into an easy to use liquid contour. And some of the real results was 100% said that it doesn't disturb makeup underneath, 98% said that it layers well under and over makeup, glides on smoothly, formula is pigmented, and it never looks caked. Those are some of the claims that we are going to keep our eyes out. But enough rambling because I know you guys just want to see the demo already. Let's just jump right in. Okay, so let's just jump right in. As I stated, I did pick up shade Serene, and I'm gonna do exactly how it is advertised on the picture. This is the picture I'm gonna be using. So basically, they have 2 little dots here, 2 little dots here, and then it going down. That's what they did, so that's what we are going to do. So they did 2 like this, 2 on the top, and 2 on the bottom. Then I am going to use the brush that I always use to blend out, which is the number 4 blush and bronzer brush by Sephora. That was like a tongue twister for me there. But I'm gonna start by blending this part off first because that's what I would usually do. And you guys are watching in real time how quickly that blended. Only have foundation at the moment, so I did put on the Rare Beauty foundation because why not? It's a Rare Beauty kind of video. So I have the Rare Beauty foundation and I don't have any concealer because I do that after my bronzer. So I'm gonna do it after. That was super quick. So this is one side done, and this is the other side. As you can tell, this side is really flat and this side is really bronzed up, and I'm actually really happy that I went with the shade because the one before that is supposed to be the Selena Gomez shade, but I feel like that one was, as in the picture, like to me, looked very cool toned, and I like my bronzers or contours to be more on the warm side, so that's why I went up a shade. But what do you guys think? I actually think it looks really good, and it was so quick to blend out. It was like 1-2. So let's go ahead and do this side. I'm gonna do the same method that they did. And by the way, when I do this, I'm almost scraping a little bit of the product off because I wasn't sure how it was gonna work, especially as we know Rare Beauty blushes are so pigmented, so I was a little bit scared, but so far so good. And it's also about time they came out with the contour version of this because I did used to have the bronzer and it was good, but it wasn't like my favorite. Like there was other bronzers that I liked more than that one. And now that they came out with this one, wow, this is like a game changer. What do you guys think? I have to zoom you guys in a little bit so you guys can see it more up close and personal. There is no patchiness like whatsoever. Everything blended out super good. Now, just because this is a Rare Beauty video. We got the foundation on, we got the liquid contour. So let's go in with one of their blushes. So I'm gonna go in with the shade Joy. This one just always looks good on my skin tone, so we're gonna go in with this one, and we just gotta make sure that all of her products blend well together. So I'm gonna do 2 little dots like that, and I'm gonna blend it with the same brush that I used for the contour. Yes. The one thing I don't have, guys, which I'm just so sorry, I don't have the liquid highlighter. I have the powder one though, and I have the powder one in Joy now that I remember. So we're gonna go in with that one to finish up this look. I saw this little hack where she showed how to do all 3, like where the layout is, and can't even do it. So I'm a little bit sad. I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Forever concealer because I don't have the Rare Beauty one. I used to, but it ran out. Just remembered I have the Rare Beauty powder, so we're gonna go in with the powder on a little powder puff. My skin looks so good. And I'm not just saying that. So I thought I had the highlighter, which I did, but I can't find it. But I know I have the powder blush, which honestly, I like using this as a highlighter because it's almost like a pigmented highlighter. Like, it gives that really nice, beautiful glow to your cheeks. Pigmented. Okay. I gotta make sure I tap. I'm gonna make sure I tap. I'm gonna zoom you guys in one more time so that you can see the finished look. My honest thoughts, do I think it's worth it? Yes. Yes, it's really good, as I expected it to be. The only downside would have been if it was like too pigmented for it to be a bronzer. Almost like sometimes their blushes, you kind of have to be careful, but this was super lightweight, super blendable, and I feel like it almost sheared out once you blend it out. So it has pigments obviously, but it's not like hard to work with. I honestly think it's worth the money. Like I said, I expected the price range, so $28 I believe is what it is. Didn't hurt me at all. I think it's worth the $28 for the amount of product that you're getting and how easy it is to work with. So highly recommend it, and let me know down below if you are planning to pick this up as well. Let me know. Thank you guys for watching this little review with me, and I guess I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.